my little sister are doing a video, and guess what? We have pink slime, see? And as you guys know, we're gonna be adding in like a little bit of candy and stuff in it, but we're really not gonna eat it because like that's gross. Hey! And as you guys know, that is my baby brother. And he's bad. That's who I was yelling at. Quit! Come on, Lily. So, guys. Mommy. Alright, here, Lily. And guys, we have it. See, honey. You want to play with the slime? Yeah. Alright. Hold up. Okay. Is it okay if I give you a little piece? And guys, I give my sister a little piece because she's too, like, let's say, she's too young to play with slime. She's only like a couple months old. And guys, my brothers don't have, so yeah, but guys, I have this slime and it's beautiful. And guys, as you guys know, that it is like very cute. Hold on guys, give me a second. Alright. Come here, Nene. I got ingredients. See? You want an ingredient in there? Yeah. Come on. Just made me a bubble. Okay guys, that's not gonna work. I think I have too many like things in it, but